Understanding the climax is near, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, the climax is near. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in both literary contexts and everyday conversation. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Stay tuned. The climax is near refers to a point of highest tension or the most critical moment in a narrative or situation. The word climax originates from Greek, meaning ladder or staircase, which metaphorically represents the peak or turning point in a story or event. When we say, the climax is near, we imply that an important, decisive moment is approaching, one that will likely lead to a resolution or significant change. Literature and movies. In literature and movies, the climax is near signals the approach of a story's most thrilling and decisive moment. This is where the conflict reaches its peak, and the characters face their greatest challenges. Everyday conversation. In everyday conversation, this phrase can be used more metaphorically to indicate that a situation is about to reach a pivotal point or that an ongoing issue is close to being resolved. For example, during a heated debate, someone might say, "The climax is near," suggesting that a final agreement or disagreement is imminent. As the detectives gathered more evidence, they knew the climax was near. They were about to catch the culprit. After hours of negotiation, it felt like the climax was near, and a decision would finally be made. In the final minutes of the championship game, with the score tied, the climax was near. Understanding the phrase, "the climax is near," can add depth to your comprehension and expression in English, especially in storytelling or discussing events with a significant build-up. It's all about the anticipation of a pivotal moment that promises change or resolution. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. See you in the next video.